She don't wanna love and making no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no, my baby on a whole nother different level. She be slower but now she take me to heaven when she goes slower. Right after we fuck, she give me culture down.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. So today we are going to be doing a little unboxing video. I had ordered a few things from this site called Temu. So I have quite a pretty big package here and I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing video. Let's see if this stuff is legit and let's see if it is worth your coins. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this off the bat and just rip her open. I got quite a few products and I'm excited to see what we got. I got a lot of things. Well, not a lot. I got like, I don't remember how many things I got, but I got quite a few things that are gonna come in pretty handy for my everyday living. Ooh. Okay. Got our boxes here. We got our stuff here. Okay. Are you kidding me? This is so small. Okay. Do not get this open. I hope all this stuff. I forgot what this was. Okay. Throw that down here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start off with the small stuff first, and then we'll work our way onto the bigger things. And so the small stuff that I got first is I had got some makeup brushes. So is this what they look like? Let me take them out the bag and see what they get. Because I needed some more makeup brushes, like really bad. So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to get some. Let's see. And they have like gray faux hairs at the tip. It's super soft, by the way. These look like these are pretty good quality. So these are cute. Next, I have these little makeup thingies. I've been seeing everybody order these. So I was like, I need some too. So I got this large pack. I didn't know it came with this many. I don't know how many is in here, but it's a lot. So I'm gonna use this for whenever I do my powder on my face. Dang, this is a lot. I did not expect it to be this many. So we have 1, 2, so this is 4, 6. So we have 12 of these. Oh my God, these are so cute. These are the little things that I've been seeing everybody get, and like they use it to like pat in their makeup. So, ooh, I'm so excited for this. So I was tired of using my my sponge to apply everything, so that's why I got the brushes and I got those little bitty triangle things. So I'm so excited to use them whenever I apply my makeup on. So yes. And next we have these really cool looking candles. But before I do the candles, I'm gonna show you guys these glasses I got. Let's see if it's worth it. Oh God. So these are some really cute looking glasses I got. Everything is pretty legit so far from what I can see. And I got all this stuff for a pretty decent price. Ooh, these are fire. Ooh, these are so cute. Okay. Oh, these are actually cute. So these are the glasses I got. I don't know if you guys can see them. These are super cute. Let me put them on. See what she gives. These are giving 90s vibes. These are cute, girl. Okay, girl. All right, sis. Stop playing with them. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Come on, baby, don't play with them. And with a glasses cleaner too, so that's what's up. Okay, this is super cute. We love, we live, we like, we adore, we adore. These are super cute. Glad I got these. I'll probably be ordering some more glasses, so y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, y'all stay tuned for that. Let me put all my trash. Boop. Next, like I said, we have these little candles. And I ordered 2 of these to just kind of add a little bit of a full champagne to the living room. And oh, they smell good. They have like a clean, oh, it's 2 candles, okay. These smell really good. And this is what they look like. So I ordered 2 of these because I wanted to add a little bit of, you know, decor to the living room. So we have 2 of these candles right here. Super cute. These are cute. And they actually look like what I paid for. So that is awesome. Here is the other one. I'm not gonna take it out the packaging just yet. So next I have a humidifier, and this is for the kids' room. I meant to buy 2 of these, but it's okay. I'll probably just end up buying another one. This is a humidifier for the kids' room because they get super congested really easily and they be having nosebleeds. So this is the humidifier. It's a pretty decent size. I'll probably just put this on one of their dressers. This is what it looks like. And it says humidifier on the front of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's just like this triangle shape. So I'll probably just put like some spring water and then connect it. We'll charge it, and then yeah, this is kind of cute. I should have got 2 of these, but I only got 1. It's okay though, but this is really cute. I'll probably try to see if this works. And let you, well, yeah, of course, I'm gonna see if this works, and then I'll let you guys know how it works. Probably in my vlog. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned and see when I post my new vlog, okay? But yeah, this is super cute. Love this. And it also comes with a charger too. So this is just a regular USB cord. So it comes with a little bit cord, guys. If you already have USB cords, then you know you're good. I mean, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? We're kind of going through this really quick too. All right, so the next thing I got was a vase. So I have got a little vase to go on my, oh, this is cute. It's so tiny. It's a little bit tinier than I expected. But I had got a little vase to go on my living room table. So this is what it looks like. She's cute. And then I have some, I forgot what this is called. Pampas grass. So this is what this is called. This is pampas grass. I have bought some pampas grass to go inside my little vase, however you pronounce it. So let's go ahead and open her up. Why don't we? And see how she looks inside the vase. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of fluff her out a little bit. And this is obviously faux pampas. So I'm just gonna fluff. It's not shedding, so that's good. Okay, this is what it gives. Okay, this is what the girl gives. Maybe I need to like bend them a little bit, or like put them in here, because I want it to stick up. So let's see. If I just let it stick up with it, kind of bend this in there like this. Let's see what she looks like. This is actually really cute, and Yeah, this is cute, especially if you want to add like little bitty things to like your living room coffee table. This is cute. I love this. We love. Okay, so next I have 2 shower caddies. So this is for our bathroom. We need these desperately in our bathroom. And how does this work? I wonder how it works because I don't see where you like stick it like on the shower. I don't know. I honestly do not know how this works. Huh. Okay, so I have bought 2 of these, one for me, one for my boyfriend, so I'm gonna just kind of like stack them in the shower like so. So this is cute. These are actually a pretty decent size. Like, girlfriend, this is pretty big. I love it. I'm excited to see how these fit in the shower. So I'll probably just like take a video or take a picture or something of how it looks. But these are pretty decent size, especially going in the shower. We desperately needed these. So I'm excited to see how these work. Okay, certainly last but not least, I have this little organizer here that I ordered, and this is where I plan on putting like my makeup, my skincare routine, and all that good stuff, because I need it so bad. I have nothing to put like my stuff in except for a drawer. So I have ordered this cute little organizer. This is so cute. Okay, she's cute. This is a decent size too. I think I can like put like my makeup brushes in here too. Yeah, I definitely can. Okay, so this is what the organizer looks like. She's cute. I could put like my stuff in here. This is backwards. I know exactly what to put in here. This is really cute. I like this. So I'm gonna put a lot of my stuff here. I'll probably end up getting another one of these. Let me take these brushes out because they're like sliding through, because the bottom of it has like little bitty holes. I don't know if you guys can see, just in case if something drips, it doesn't like stain it, I guess. But this is actually pretty freaking cute. This is perfect. I know exactly what I want to use this for. I know exactly how I plan to use this, and I'm really excited to see how this looks in my bathroom. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get another one of these. This is really cute. This is a good size too. So this is perfect. Okay, sis, come on, Temu. Come on, Temu. Well, I can definitely say I am super satisfied with everything I received. Well, everything that I bought, because I ain't getting none of this stuff for free. I ain't getting none of this for free from Temu, and I'm so excited to see how all this stuff lasts, and I'm really excited. So in total I paid, oh, drum roll please, $28.66 for 11 items, which is a steal. You guys, I got a coupon, and I noticed that they do have a lot of coupons for this website. So all this stuff for $28, yes sis, sign me up. I will definitely be purchasing from Temu again. All this stuff is legit. It's like another Alibaba, I guess. So this stuff works really cute, and it works for, it looks, all this stuff look legit. Like, I got me a whole organizer, I got me a little small little cute little vase, candles, a humidifier, brushes, makeup pouches, powder pouch, shower caddies, glasses. So I think we did a pretty good job with this purchase. And if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want me to do some more reviews from some products from Temu. I would definitely love to do it. The items are so inexpensive, so I mean, I really don't mind doing it. So this was fun. I I really enjoyed myself opening this. Like, I haven't done an unboxing in so long. And I do have another video I'm going to be doing for you guys, a February's purchases video. So you guys stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned for my new weekly vlog that will be posted this upcoming Monday. So you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I post a new video, sis. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next video.
Good work. She don't wanna love and making no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no.